I'm Lisa from Looped and Knotted, and today I'm going to teach you how to do the double crochet, also known as DC in written patterns. If you already know single crochet or half double crochet, this is your next step. And it's such a fun one. Double crochet stitches are taller, faster, and give your projects a softer, loose drape. Ready to give it a try? Let's go one loop at a time. A double crochet stitch is about twice the height of a single crochet. That means fewer rows, more drape, and quicker projects. Perfect for blankets, shawls, scarves, and even sweaters. Let's do a practice row. Start by making a foundation chain. Let's do 15 for this demo. You're going to skip the first 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and work into the 4th. You're going to yarn over first, put your hook into the 4th stitch, grab the yarn, pull a loop through. You'll have 3 loops on your hook. You're going to yarn over and go through the first 2 loops, and then yarn over and go through the last 2 loops. And that's a double crochet. Yarn over, go through the next chain, yarn over, pull a loop through, 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through the first 2, yarn over, and pull through the last 2. When you get to the end of your row, you should have 12 double crochets. To start the next row, you chain 3, 1, 2, 3, turn your work, yarn over, and work a double crochet in the first stitch. You'll see that double crochet builds rows quickly and gives your project a looser, more open texture. Always yarn over before inserting your hook. It's easy to forget at first. Count your stitches after every row, especially at the beginning, and practice on a swatch until you get comfortable. Your tension will improve with time. And that's how to double crochet. You just learned a brand new stitch and opened the door to so many new projects. I'm so proud of you. If you found this helpful, be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and check out my free beginner crochet course, where you go stitch by stitch through everything you need to feel confident. Keep practicing, you're doing amazing.